about your bike? Your hub's too loud. Your hub's too loud. Why do you always ruin these? Well, cold ass Canada, where we're filming and riding in like -10 degrees, and meanwhile people are not riding in like 20 degrees in Austin, but whatever, it's all good. This is my bike check, and I hope you enjoy it, because this is for people who really want to know what I ride, or people who don't care and just really bored. For starters, I got a Sexton Odyssey stem. Everyone always talks to me about it because it's like a limited edition thing. It's really sick. Thirdly, got my wheels. Back wheel is a Shadow hub laced with primo spokes and a cult rim. My front one is a stock United KL40 Pro rim, which people really like because it looks like the Alienation whatever. I got Bone Death coffee grinder pegs because they came in chrome. I got a chrome Total V2 frame because it's chrome. I got chrome Sunday bars that I got because they were chrome. I like chrome. I got black Cult Vans grips because those are the best grips ever. What else do I got? Sunday sprocket and cranks because they were cheap, and that's pretty much it.